In today's video, we are going to show you how to create a board in Milanote. Whether you're planning a project, organizing ideas, or brainstorming visually, we've got you covered. Let's begin. Now, first thing is you need to log in using your credentials, and then once you are in the main dashboard, hover to the left side area of the navigation and go to the board. Okay, so you can simply drag and drop it on the interface, and as you can see, what will happen is it is creating a new board for you. Release the mouse, and as you can see, we have a new board. Now, you have the ability to rename it if you want, and you can choose a color that best represents your brand, identity, and even your logo. If you want to customize the color, you also have the ability to do that. But for now, I am going to choose this. And once you've done that, as you can see, we have created a board here. Now, if you click the board, you can do a lot of things here. You can drag and drop cards. You can share, especially if you are working with your client or with your team members. You can do so. You can change their permission level to enable read only or not. Okay? Because doing this allows you to stay in control of who can view or edit all of your work. And basically, that's how you create a board in Milanote. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.